how to make your first million in meme coins. In this video, I'll be teaching you and demonstrating to you a strategy on how to make your first million in meme coins. Okay, I believe that there are four components or four important parts of this strategy, but you need to also understand that a strategy is just a part of it. Okay, another very important part of a strategy is the execution, how you explain it, how you form your texts, and how you execute it. Okay, so the result is only happen when you execute the strategy very well. So let's get into it and look at this strategy and look at how you can use it to make your first million in meme coins this cycle. Okay, so I believe that there are four key determinants in making in this strategy, okay, or in making your first $1 million in meme coins. All right. So the first one is understanding the narrative. Meme coins have different narratives, so it is very important that you understand the narrative that will outperform other narrative. Okay, so the first narrative that you should look at is the dog narrative. Now, the dog narrative was the narrative that was used in the last cycle by most meme coin projects like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Flocky. Now, this meme coin project used dog as a symbol, used dog as a brand identity, and the impact was that they performed extremely well. Like Dogecoin is currently sitting at 23.8 billion dollar market cap, and Shiba Inu is currently sitting at 16.5 billion dollar market cap. So that is very important. Understand it. But this happened in the last cycle. Okay, although we still have some meme coin projects using dog as an identity, as a brand identity, but that does not mean the dog is the narrative for meme coins for this cycle. So we have cat narrative. Let's look at cat narrative. Okay, cat narrative. Cat narrative is narrative that is trending. Okay, that is becoming that is becoming a leader. Okay, for meme coin in this cycle. All right, so you can see on crypto digital, you see different cards, cute cards, okay, cat images on the on crypto Twitter, and so this has become a leading animal narrative for meme coins, for meme coin projects in the crypto space, and most of the projects listed here, most of the projects using cat are also performing well. Okay, for example, we have when we have pop cards, we have a lot of them that are performing extremely well. So it is believed that in the previous cycle, dog was a leading narrative, but in this cycle, cat will be a narrative that will outperform other narrative for meme coins. All right. So the next narrative that I think should not be forgotten or should not be neglected is politify. All right. So these are meme coins that are created to represent characters in the political space. Okay, in the political space, and we have some top projects here. Now, this MAGA, Trump, MAGA means Make America Great Again, is a slogan that Donald Trump used, and the price is currently sitting at 14.02, and the market cap is currently at above $600 million. This is bullish. These are politify meme project. So this will become something. This will become a 10. This will make a lot of persons millions in this cycle. So you just need to pay attention to those ones that we do. Okay. So we have a lot. We have Trump. We have Tuka. A lot of them there. So this, I believe, will be the first determinant, the first element that you need to consider as you try to make your first million in meme coins this cycle. Okay, so the second thing is identify chains, the leading meme coins on different chains. Okay, so different coins have meme coins are built on different chains. Okay, meme coins are built on different chains. For example, Pepe is built on Ethereum and it's a leading meme coin. There are some meme coins. It is not only a market cap that makes a project a leading meme coin. It is mainly what actually make a meme coin okay, to be a leading project is the community and okay the hype created around it. So it's important you understand, but ensure you are able to you are able to identify or research okay the leading or meme coin project on different chain. For example, Ethereum has Pepe, okay, Ethereum has it has Pepe, it has Shiba, it has Flocky, and a lot of new project, even Mog, okay, on Ethereum chain. Then on the Ton, we have Redo, we have Fish, okay, we have Anon on Ton chain. On the Solana, we have Bonk, okay, we have Dog with Heart, okay, and we have a lot of other when too we have a lot of other projects or other project on other Bitcoin project on the Solana chain. Now, why is it important for you to understand this? Okay, so it is important for you to understand know the chain and the meme coin so that you can be prepared. Can prepare in terms of how to go about buying it. One, you can be prepared in terms of knowing the requirements, knowing the exchange to use, knowing where to buy it from. All these are very important. You need this as part of the strategy. Then the next thing is to create a portfolio of five. You create a portfolio of five because we I believe that core five leading meme coin projects that have that are in good narrative will help you to make your first million in meme coin in this season. Okay, so what you need to do is to identify this leader. Okay, identify the leading meme coin project on different chains and use it to form your portfolio. So doing that is all you need. It's all you need. Once you have been able to do that, what you need is to relax. What you need is to watch and watch as these projects outperform others and make you the million that you want to make. All right. So the next thing is you are targeting 20x on each. Now remember that you have five projects on in your portfolio, five Bitcoin projects in your portfolio, and this portfolio you are targeting that each will do 20x. And if you are investing, you believe if you're investing $1,000 each, you believe that it will equal $1 million at the end of the day. All right, so let's look at it very well with this as an example. Okay, so we'll look at them and we'll look at where you can buy this project from, buy this meme coin from. So the first is Bonk, and the ticker is also Bonk. Let's look at Bonk. Okay, so this is Bonk. Now, Bonk is a leading meme coin project on Solana ecosystem, and the market cap is $2.4 billion. It still have potential. Now, understand that the top meme coin project has 23 billion, so still have potential. So I'm just using this as a hypothetical example. So don't take these are not the project that you will include. Okay, these are not the projects. This is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purpose and to also explain a strategy. All right. So to buy this, you can buy on Solar on the Jupiter exchange. Okay. Go to you know go to your Jupiter, go to your Phantom wallet and go to Jupiter exchange and buy. Copy this address and buy there. Yeah, but so this is one of the projects and it is listed on Solana chain. All right. So the second project on this will be Maga. So we believe that Bonk, when we are investing $1,000 in Bonk, we are buying $1,000 worth of Bonk, and we believe that the return in terms of X will be 20x. That will give us $20,000. So the next one is MAGA. MAGA is Make America Great Again. Make America Great Again. Make America Great Again. And the MAGA okay, we can see that MAGA is currently sitting at $644 million market cap. Okay, and it is $14 per piece, and it is listed on okay Ethereum chain, Ethereum ecosystem, Ethereum ecosystem. It's also on Solana. Okay, so now to buy this, if you want to buy from Ethereum, or from maybe you want to buy on the chain, you can buy through okay you can buy through Uniswap. All you need is a Metamask wallet, or why not buy through BNB chain or Solana ecosystem. So let's see if it has been listed. Yeah, it has been listed on Mexi. It has been listed on some centralized exchanges. You can buy from there. Now whenever you have a coin to buy, make sure you check the market and know where you can easily buy it from, where you can buy it at cheap price, at a cheap price. Okay, so the next one is when. So we believe that $1,000 invested will do 20x from here, and that will give you $20,000. Next one is when. When is I'm very bullish on this project personally because I hold on this when I was given an airdrop. Market cap is $171 million. Okay, and it is listed on on Solana. It's a project built on Solana chain, and you can buy it via Jupiter Exchange on through your Phantom wallet. Actually, it's listed on many exchanges, even including Bybit, Gate.io, Mexi, and a lot of exchanges. So look for buy it from the place that is most convenient for you. We believe $1,000 invested will do 20x and will give us $20,000. The next one is Redo. Resistant Dog. Redo is a project built on the Ton chain. You can see Ton ecosystem. So it is sitting at $60 million, which is very very cheap compared to Solana meme coin project. So to buy this, copy this link, copy the contract address and go to Tonkeeper, then buy it on Ston.fi. I have a video in this description that will show you exactly how to do that. So when you are done watching this video, you can check the description and get a guide on how to buy meme coins on the Ton chain. Okay, so it has also been listed. Okay, these are the places you can buy it for either the Dust or Ston.fi, as I already explained. So we believe that we invest $1,000 and it will do 20x, and that will give us $20,000. Then the next one is Tuka. Tuka is in the Politify ecosystem, like I showed you, like I showed you earlier on. We look at it. Tuka is a meme coin that represents media. Okay, that represents media in the political space. Now it is believed that it will do well. Okay, let's look at Tuka properly. Tuka, okay, it's properly. I am also holding this project. Now Tuka has $66 million market cap, and it is listed on Solana chain. So to buy it, I don't know if it is listed on the on. Okay, it is listed on many places, but the easiest way to buy it is to buy it through Jupiter. Copy the contract address, go to Phantom and go to Jupiter Exchange and swap Jupiter. Okay, swap from Sol. Okay, on Jupiter Exchange, swap from Sol to Tuka. Okay, so now when you go on Twitter, you see a lot of content about Tuka content. Okay, you see a lot of amazing. Is a meme coin that represents media. Represent media. Okay, you can see. Okay, this
folks. And I should preface all this by saying I am not bitter at all. Bitter appears to have pulled off a successful stealth launch of the mother token after distancing herself.
This is gonna be a project that a lot of persons are bullish on, and it has a very low market cap of $66 million. So this could go into billions. It's not a financial advice. Do your research. So it is believed that $1,000 invested will give you a return of 20x, and that will be $20,000. When you sum everything, to give you $1 million. Okay, guys, this is how to form the thesis, and this is how to implement or execute this strategy. When you buy this, leave it patient. The key thing you need is patience and conviction. Patience and conviction will help you to make your first $1 million in crypto. All right. So if you find this content very helpful, kindly subscribe and share with others so that they can also benefit from this. There's a video here on how to buy the top 5 meme coins on the Ton chain. Kindly check it out and watch.